Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everyone's doing well. Josh and I picked up this 57 oval sunroof car yesterday up in Massachusetts.
Yep.
So we're pretty stoked to have it. Josh digs it. Jen even digs it, although there are some things she would like us to change. So let's take a look at those, shall we? A few things you might see already. The wiper switch, the speedometer is incorrect. I'll bring you over this side, we'll get a look at the speaker and stereo. So you can see the stereo installed, the speaker installed. I have a speaker, oval speaker grill that I'm going to put in. We'll pull that stereo out of there. I do like the old school Hurst shifter though. That's cool. Josh, what kind of seats are those?
High backs.
High backs, nice. So we got the high back.
We don't need them. We need low backs.
Oh. So we're going to try to find some low backs. Get these seats squared away. Got some nice door panels. These doors are actually in nice shape. The lowers are very clean.
Push it.
All right.
Got it.
Got it?
Yeah.
Pull it out of there. It's got a magnet. There you go. That's a big magnet on the back.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
You gotta do some welding, I guess.
Well, Josh was right. Gonna have some welding to do. It drilled out. You can probably see some of the light coming through. But hey, looks better than the big Panasonic square speaker. You can see we also have this visor set up. I'm gonna go ahead and put an early visor in. Looks better. Carmen Ghia pre-70 turn signals. This car also has a 3-tab hood, not the 4-tab. So you can see we've got the hood springs. Obviously it's a later hood, so your 4-tab hinge would have been right here. It does have the hump gas tank. Couple things, this car was clipped. So they put a new front clip on it from an earlier car. Judging by this, I think that's the original tank. Maybe from the accident they kept the original tank. You can see the clip working here. They didn't do the greatest of job, but spare tire well has typical sheet metal and rivets and screws, and no stop signs or anything in there, just the light stuff. Under this patch is about 6 holes they drilled for, I have no idea, ventilation maybe. I have no idea. They're good size too. You can see we've got some maple syrup dripping right out of this tank. That's awesome. Smells so good. This door gap is pretty wide right here, but doors open and close pretty well. It's a Ragtop car. We're good. So we've got a B6 single port 1500 in this. It turns by hand. I haven't tried to start it or anything. I'm going to go ahead and lubricate the cylinders before we do that. Change the oil, check the valves. Hopefully we'll do a will it run on this soon. I'd love to hear it run, so look for that. So then we'll go to the back. Missing the W deck lid. No snowflakes. So the deck lid, the hood, and the fenders were definitely removed from the original car. The good news is I do have a black W deck lid. I know, you guys just want to get a look at that trailer, I know. Check it out. So Jen likes the car, but when she saw the high backs, I think she threw up in her mouth a little bit. Not a fan of the high backs. Look at that door. Still has the ice picks. So we'll definitely be doing the W deck lid. Snowflakes I have. I guess once I get the W deck lid on, I'm gonna have to get some other fenders for the car and just paint them black. What do you think? Headlights gonna work? It's pretty dark out right now. Oh yeah. Oh, we can drive it home with one headlight. Those things remind me of like Austin Powers with the. But Another one-eyed Willie. I don't know. Pretty stoked to see that. Let's check the back. Look at that. One good thing about Massachusetts, they have inspections. Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for me. Going to be working on the motor on this car this weekend, getting it ready for a Will It run. Find the brakes so we can do a Will It drive or first drive. That'll be sweet. We got the Ragtop. Stoked to have this thing. My dream car has always been an oval rag, so looking forward to continuing on with this car as well. So you guys have a great weekend. Thank you for all the comments and likes, the support of the channel. I cannot say thank you enough. I really, really, really appreciate it. We'll see you soon. Take care, guys.
So as you can see, it doesn't have a W deck lid, and it doesn't have the snowflake tail lights. So let me just open this up real quick. Right. So, as you can see here, this thing right here, it's stuck. It's stuck. But I mean, you can turn this by hand, and yeah. So let me just I always take a look at the oil, so that's what I'm gonna do. Can you see that? It looks, it's pretty old. I'm gonna, yeah. And then, so, I'm gonna get alright. And, so I don't really know how this thing is stuck, but it's just stuck. And then, you know, you got all your electrical stuff, which, like down there, and then the coil. I don't really know what that really does. Oh, the fuel pump. You know what I like some engines, like when all the pipes are like all metal and that. Yeah, I like when they have like the dual carburetors like on the side. But I like when they have these too. So if you can see that number, I'm sure some of you, know what number that is. But yeah, this is an 80s job right here. Yeah, I mean, I would maybe consider some of this rust, but so that's it. Bye.